Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and as you can see, we have another unboxing. Today we have something from Mirage, and this is a sponsored video. So basically, Mirage sent me this watch case for free to review and to keep after that. So I will also mention that in the description. I will link Mirage shop also in the description below. So Mirage is a company that I already bought from before. I bought the watch roll with 3 places. That's the one. I bought it with my own money. So really nice, use it a lot for traveling. And I contacted them about the new travel watch, let's say, box. And here you have the warranty, here you have a cloth, and they were kind enough to tell me that they will send me one to test out. And here we go. So the idea is that this one could even fit in the Mirage big box. So this is the travel box, and as you can see, you have 2 watches here, one for each side, and you have straps that you can put here, some accessories as well. So I thought that's why it's really interested me, because I already have a 2, I have 1, I have 3 watch rolls or pouches, but I didn't have one that included a place for the straps and the accessories of the watch. So that's why I thought this might be a really nice idea. The leather is really nice. I think it's artificial leather, but as you can see from the Mirage product that I have it like at least 2 or 3 years, and the leather is holding up quite nicely. Nothing on the sides. It's not broken or damaged, and I'm not keeping it in the pack like this one. I'm using it like it is, like that. So I don't remember how much it cost. I will put this information in the description below, and let me try out how watches will look inside so you can understand how it will look. So basically you have one watch, you can put another watch here, so it goes with the strap, goes with the bracelet, you can close it, and then you can open this part, put some straps like that. You can even put like a buckle, so you can put the buckle here. You can put some, let's say, if you need also some spring bars, put some spring bars, and you can put, like if you want tools, you can put some small tools or loom, for instance. Close it, and then you have it. So it does, just to give you how big it is, so it's basically like around 13 centimeters, as you can see, and here as well. So as you can see here, 12.5, and from this side it's around 10. So these are the dimensions, and like I said, check their website out. They're really great guys. They do a lot of watch accessories like rolls, watch boxes, and so on. And until now I had only good experience with them. Also price wise, really nice. And don't forget, they have like a newsletter where you can get 10%, and so check it out, and maybe you'll find some discounts for the watch box that you like. So thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.